Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man. He's going to be kind of like a chibi form of him, so let's get started. I'll go right here. Curve right here for the side of the cheek. Right? Kind of going down his face. Then, I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to actually just start like a curve, kind of like a general curve for the head. And then I'm going to kind of merge it over here to kind of complete it. If you like learning how to draw chibi or anything cute, absolutely go get the actual ebook on that topic in the description, okay? You're not gonna, like regret getting it. It's 100% free, and it gives you everything on how to make anything chibi. So go check that out. I'm gonna go over here for the face. Curve right here for the eye. Go down over here, curve under here. Curve underneath here. Alrighty. So you have his pattern right here. Let's go ahead and draw his body. So right here, I'm going to draw a curved line down. Go over here on this side, curvature right here for the arm. Over here on this side, curve. So he's got his arm downward. And right here, this is going to be his thumb and his finger. Right here, we're going to draw another finger, another finger. Go over here on this side, outward. Same thing, you got his pointer and finger and his thumb back. And then you draw another finger and another finger over here. Out, lined out, down. Line over here for underneath. And down over here for kind of the back of the leg. And line over here for his foot. So you have his general body walking. When you think about his body, though, it is very tube-like. That's something that you kind of keep in mind for, especially chibi things. They're very tube-like, very easy. Gonna go over here, line down for his outfit. Line over here for his outfit. Line over here for his outfit. And line over down here for his outfit. Cool, cool. Line underneath. Circle right here. Circle right here. Curve, curve, line. Line right here for the spider on his chest. Line over here. And now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to go to the eyes and I'm going to thicken out the actual eyes right there. I'm going to thicken that area out. Line right here. And a line right here. Thicken those eyes out to kind of be more noticeable, right? To kind of stand out more. You can even do it a little bit more. Over here, just a bit more to kind of have it totally like that. Excuse me. Now, I'm gonna draw like a circle here for kind of the pattern. And from that circle, I'm gonna draw a line out. Kind of like you're drawing like sunshine line out, but you wanna make sure not get in the way of the eyes there that much. Line over here. And go over here and curve up, curve up, curve up, curve up. Right here, we're drawing the webs. Line over here, Drawing those webs on his face. That's gonna be kind of the hardest part, to be those webs, right? You can even draw like another one down here, but it's not like a must. A lot of these are like approximations. Let's go over here to the arm. Line, 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 line across. Line over here. Line, line, line up. Line over here. And right here as well. It's just like a checker pattern across the body. It's so much simpler to do that checker pattern, honestly. It just kind of makes it like a shortcut, especially for the arms in that area in the chest. All right, let's go over here and have some webbing coming out of his hand. Maybe right here. Almost like a triangle kind of coming out there. Pull line in, pull line in. Right? Line, line, line. Don't forget to hit the like, and don't forget to share the video. You are amazing. Remember, you want to kind of keep up the drawing. It is a valuable skill to have, and you will, love having it. Right on over here, curve over here. And last thing is, I will give it a thicker line around the outside of everything in order to kind of give the outside a little bit of line over here. Again, just kind of throwing this thicker line around here. Keep going here. Alrighty, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully you had fun. Like I said, don't forget to share the video. And what I want you to do is go check out the coloring books that we have on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the first link in the description. If you love coloring, which I do, I love coloring, you're gonna love that. So absolutely go take a look at that. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold left over. Say hi to me in the comments, by the way, if you actually reach this point. I want you to literally type in hi or hello, and I'll know that you got to this point. Thank you so much. I'm going to reply, by the way, too. So talk to you later, and I'll see you soon.